Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. I appreciate you all, my new subscribers and my existing ones. Thanks for hopping on. I have my water boiling here and I am using angel hair pasta. Have my heavy whipping cream, Marsala cooking wine, some mozzarella cheese, and this is my sausage and chicken. So I am making sausage and chicken Marsala sausage and chicken. So once I put it all together, I will come back and let you see what the end results are. Okay, I'll pause it right here. Guys, this is what I have here. I have my 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, and I put a fourth cup of the Marsala cooking wine. And these are my noodles or my pasta, thin angel hair. And this is 16 ounces. So I let that cook for about 6 minutes or 7 minutes. Didn't want it to get too soggy. And I added some onion powder, garlic powder, dried parsley, and my white pepper. And I let the wine, the Marcello cooking wine, cook off a little bit, and then I added my cheese in there, and I am going to pour this mixture in here um, with the noodles or pasta. So this is what I'm going to do right here. I'm going to pour this in here. Ooh. I'm trying to do this with one hand, so I am going to go off a bit and then come right back. Once I get it over here, in here with the pasta, then I will come back and show you what is going on. And this is my homemade sauce that I made with the heavy whipping cream, the cheese, and the Marsala cooking wine. And this is sausage and chicken Marsala. So I will come right back. Okay guys, I came back to show you my sausage and chicken Marsala, and this is what I have in the pot. I have a dish here full of goodness, and I added about a third cup of sour cream, some Himalayan pink salt, and I added a little pimento cheese. I'm sorry, Parmesan cheese. Now guys, as I always tell you, you can add the seasonings of your preference. You know, it's what you like. You put in your food what you want, not what anybody else likes. Your palate is different, and you might want a different taste. I have some in a saucer on the side here that I am going to taste for you guys, and we let you see what it looks like. Look at that. All of that goodness, sausage and chicken. Mmm. Mmm. Mm, mm, mm. This will make your tongue slap your brain out. I'm telling you, it's that good. It is so, so delicious. Oh my goodness. So flavorful. And guys, I sauteed I seared my chicken and then my sausage, and I started adding the ingredients to it. So here it is. If you want your sauce a little thick, you can add a little flour to your sauce. I made homemade sauce. I didn't use the Alfredo sauce. I just made mine from scratch. It's better. I love it. And the sausage that I used is the turkey kielbasa. And it is good. It is so, so delicious, guys. You must try some. I'm sure you will like it. Put your spin on it, and I know it'll be good. Delicious. Let me take another bite on camera. Look at that. Mmm. 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 It is so good. I chose to use angel hair. I've used the penne pasta. You can use whatever pasta you want. I just happen to have a lot of angel hair on hand. So I decided, well, I'll use the angel hair. And that's what I did. So it is good. It is delicious. So when you guys make some, let me know how yours turn out. And let me know how you like it. I have enough here for at least a couple of days. So here it is, guys. This is Patty. Patty's Southern Kitchen and more. Please like, share, follow, subscribe, ring the notification bell to be reminded of all uploads. I love you all. And until next time, you all stay warm, stay dry, stay blessed, and be safe. And I will talk to you guys on the next exciting video. Okay, one more bite. So good. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.